Welcome back in this Chapter 18 video tutorial on Macro and VBA Basic to Advanced. In this chapter, we will learn how to use the for each next loop in VBA. For each next loop is used for repeating an action over a collection of objects. Object can be the cells in a range, sheets in a workbook, shapes in a worksheet, etc. Here, I will explain for each next loop with the help of two examples. Here in sheet AB, there are 4 shapes. If I want to apply a color to all these 4 shapes, I can use the for each next loop. First, create a module and sub-procedure, then write dim statement to define variable dim shp as shape. Now, type the for loop statement. For each shp in this workbook, dot sheets a b dot shapes. Write the code to change the color of shape. Now, this for each next loop will iterate the code for all these 4 shapes, which will apply green color in these shapes. Let's run this code step by step by pressing F8 key. Color applied in first shape. Keep on pressing F8 for step-by-step code execution. In this way, for each next loop will iterate a code over a collection of objects. Let's look into another example. Suppose if you want to apply tab color in all these 4 sheets, you can use for each next loop. Declare the variable first. Write the loop statement. Write the code for changing tab color. Next sh. Run the code. Here you see, tab color of all sheets changed. Suppose if you want to add the word Excel after all these sheet names, you can modify this code. Let's run this modified code. Here, Excel is added to each sheet name. So, this is how we use for each next loop to iterate a code over a collection of objects in VBA. In the next chapter, we will learn how to use do while loop in Microsoft Excel VBA. Thank you for watching this. See you in next chapter.